known for と known as 何が違うのでしょうか？ Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. 今回は known for と known as の違いを比べてみたいと思います。すごく似てますよね。分かってるような分からないような方が多いのではないでしょうか。実は意味と使い方が微妙に違います。今回も皆さんが使いこなせるようになるためにいろんな例文と、会話のシーンを用意しました。あとは最後に宿題も、ぜひ挑戦してみてくださいね。今から英語で解説しますね。So let's move on to the English section of the video. Here's the lesson lineup. いらっしゃいませ。Listen, did you see a guy go past here? Long hair, orange jumpsuit. What? Why do you have a gun? I'm with the SWAT team. There's a prisoner on the loose. He escaped when he was being transported to the courthouse. He's not dangerous, is he? He's known for having a violent side to him. He's also armed with a pistol he stole from one of the guards. He's armed with a pistol in my supermarket? And also, he's known for killing a man with a single chopstick. We have to do something. How can I help? We have to keep calm. いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。Look! There he is in the vegetable section. Now keep calm. I'm moving in. First, let's talk about the meaning of known for. It's used for something that became well known because of something special about it. Things can be known for their actions or behavior, taste and flavor, skills and technology, features and characteristics. If something is known for something, you can think about these concepts. 何々だから知られてる。何々によって知られてる。何々で知られてる。We're asking the question, why are they so well known? We're answering about a particular thing. It's most commonly used with ing verbs and nouns. Okay, now here is a key point. Can we use famous for instead of known for? Simple answer, yes. But I have found a lot of students in my class use the word famous inappropriately. So be careful how you use it. Use famous for with something like the Eiffel Tower. Use well known for a popular local food in your town. Let's look at some examples. The first one's this. Cheetahs are known for their incredible bursts of speed. So why are cheetahs famous? Why are they so well known? They're known because of their incredible speed. So cheetahs are known for their incredible bursts of speed. Sanma-san is known for his ability to talk non-stop for long periods of time. Yes, it has to be said, everybody feels Sanma-san is like a talking machine. White gyoza in Noda City are known for their delicious, chewy texture and tasty fillings. Although I have to point out that this video is not the real white gyoza. These are just some random gyoza. Saizeria is known for its low prices and tasty dishes, making it suitable for all the family. I'm sure most people would agree the prices are not too high and the dishes are actually pretty good. Tesla are known for using the best materials and most sophisticated technology in their cars. So everybody knows Tesla use cutting-edge technology in their cars. It's very well known. So they're known for that kind of thing. Apple products are known for being extremely expensive, but second to none in terms of quality. I'm sure all Apple fans would agree with that sentence. Disney theme parks are known for their attention to detail and unbeatable guest service. I'm sure most people, when you think of Disney, you think of those little things that most other companies wouldn't offer. So they are known for it. Kyoto is known for its Buddhist temples, Shinto shrines, palaces and gardens, some of which are listed collectively by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Yeah, when we think of Kyoto, those are the things we think of. It's known for those things. Here's a roundup of all the sentences.
Why are you here? Get back! It's not safe. I have to protect my supermarket. Irashaimase. And why are you holding a carrot like that? I'll have you know, I'm known as the only man in Japan who can defend himself with a single carrot. I'm known as the Carrot Ninja. That's what you're known as? That's what I'm known as. There he goes. Leave this to me. He's getting away! Hold your fire. I've got this. You got him! He's out cold. So that's why you're known as the Carrot Ninja.
This is used for famous people or famous things. It's not normally used for ordinary people. It can be used in two ways. When you're talking about the reason they're well known, and also when people have another name. Let's look in more detail using examples. Okay, the first one's this. Shohei Ohtani is known as one of the best baseball players in the world, if not the best. So I'm sure everybody will agree that's what Shohei Ohtani is known as. Yoshinoya is known as one of the most popular fast food places in Japan. So it's common knowledge that it's one of the top fast food places. It's what it's known as. Neil Armstrong is known as the first man on the moon. He has gone through all his life being known as the first man on the moon. That's his claim to fame. What a thing. Marilyn Monroe was known as a great beauty in her time. So in this case, we're using was known as because this is a past situation. Sodium chloride is more commonly known as salt. Sometimes when we have a technical name or a scientific or a medical name, it's more commonly known as another name, such as salt. Now, when people have another name, we can use the expression also known as. This is abbreviated as AKA. Do you remember Prince? Well, he changed his name to the artist formerly known as Prince. How about this city? In English, we call it Beijing, but it was formerly known as Peking. I guess it's still called Peking in Japan. Do you know this guy? His name is Dwayne Johnson, but he's also known as The Rock. This is my rock impersonation, the one eyebrow. We can also use this expression, go by the name of. Have you ever heard of this person? I've got to check here. Stefani Joanne Angelina Germanotta. She also goes by the name of Lady Gaga. Here's a rundown of the sentences from part 2. It's homework time! Are you ready? I'm going to give you a Japanese sentence and I want you to change it into English and put it in the comments, okay? この日本語を英語にしてくださいね。 コメント欄のところに入れて、後でチェックしますので。Okay? So today's sentence is this. トム・クルーズはかっこいい人々を演じることで知られてる。Okay? So the next video for you is this one over here. It's gonna be I have been known to. Okay? I'll see you over there. Let's go.